Fix it fast. If your Instant Pot Pro has a blank display and won't turn on, don't assume it's dead. The Pro has a specific design flaw that usually makes this an easy fix. Here's how to troubleshoot it in order. Step 1. Reseat the cord. Unlike older models, the Pro has a detachable power cord. This cord can wiggle loose every time you slide the pot across the counter. Unplug it from the wall, pull it out of the back of the Pro, and then push it back into the base socket firmly until it's fully seated. Plug it back into the wall. If it was even a millimeter out, the display stays dark. Step 2. The wiggle test. With the cord plugged in, gently wiggle it where it enters the back of the Pro. If the screen flickers, the cord's internal connection is failing. You don't need a new Instant Pot, you just need a new cord. I've linked the correct 3-prong Pro replacement cord below. It costs a fraction of a new unit. Step 3. Check the GFCI reset. If the cord is tight but the screen is still black, test the outlet. Plug in a phone charger or lamp. If that doesn't work either, look for a GFCI outlet nearby, the ones with the reset button. Kitchen circuits trip easily. Press reset firmly and try your Pro again. Step 4. Dry the socket. If you recently had a boil-over or heavy steam, moisture might be in the cord socket. Unplug the unit and wipe the socket area with a dry cloth. If you suspect water got inside, let the unit air dry for 24 hours before trying again. Never use a hairdryer inside the socket, as it can melt the plastic housing. If the cord is seated, the outlet is live, and the unit is dry, but the screen is still blank, the internal thermal fuse has likely blown. This is a safety feature that kills power during a major surge. It's not a home fix. Contact Instant Pot support using the link below to start a warranty claim. If this helped you bring your Pro back to life, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And grab a spare Pro power cord in the description so a loose connection never ruins your dinner plans again. Thanks for watching, and may your display stay lit and your dinner stay on schedule.